Hey everyone, I thought it would be fun to create a video showing how I 3D print my miniatures and then also paint them and show off the finished painted miniature and compare it to the unpainted miniature. So if that sounds interesting to you at all, then stick around. Or if you want, I can include a timestamp in the description so you can skip ahead and just see the finished miniature if you're interested. So thanks and enjoy. I started out by looking for a model that interested me on a website called My Mini Factory. This is the one that I ended up finding, and I ended up downloading it to my computer. Next, I imported the model that I wanted to print into a program called Chitubox. Here, you can rearrange the parts of the model that you want to print onto a virtual representation of the base plate of the printer. From there, I saved the model to a thumb drive so that I could print it out. I removed the thumb drive from my computer and plugged it into the 3D printer, and I was ready to print. Once the printing is done, I can wash the residual resin off of the prints. I have to be careful and use gloves because it's toxic. The most frustrating part is removing the supports from the parts because you run the risk of breaking the parts, and that can be upsetting after waiting 5 hours for a print to complete. Then I put the parts under UV light for about 3 minutes so that they can cure. And the rest is just assembly and painting. And finally, it's time to show off the finished product.
Fight Club.